Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Jacqueline Wise and I'm from Long Island, New York. A little bit about me is I just graduated in December with my Bachelor's of Science in Biology and Psychology. I originally was a nursing major and about halfway through the program I switched to pre-PA. Just throughout my clinicals and stuff, I met awesome physician assistants and I just got along with them and it fit just me as a person and my goals and lifestyle and the lateral mobility and all of that is just so appealing to me. So I'm really excited about that. Finally, I graduated, so now I just had a couple extra prereqs to take that I couldn't fit in my degree, so I'm doing that now. I've been working full time now since I graduated, so that's an adjustment. And now taking these classes while working will be interesting, but I'll get through it just like we all do. So I right now I'm a PT aide, physical therapy aide, and I'm also a chiropractic assistant on the days I'm not working at the PT place. I've worked in the medical field for about 5 years now, part time. I've done dermatology, OBGYN, another chiropractor's office. So I've kind of bounced around. I've also waitressed to pay for school, so that's another interesting thing about me. I guess I waitressed for the past 2 years, which was nice and helped me save some money for PA school, so that's always helpful. I'm applying the cycle to PA school after these classes. The cycle opens around the time these classes end, so that's like really helpful for me. What else about me? So I'm actually on top of working full time and taking these classes. I'm in the process of moving. It's only a town or two over, but it's still moving and it's still stressful. So we'll see how that goes as well. Aside from that, right now I live with my parents, my boyfriend, my sister, her boyfriend, my grandma, two cats, and a dog. So it's a full house, and you could probably understand why I'm moving. I turned 23 the end of this month, March 27th. So that's exciting for me. I'm kind of wrapping everything up, getting ready to apply to PA school. It's a really good time in my life for this to go on. So I'm really thankful for these online classes. It's awesome. I could do it at night when I get home from work. It allows me to save money and take some classes online, as well as getting to know and being exposed to people of different areas and just backgrounds and different journeys. So I'm really excited for that because I've never taken any classes outside of my college, even though I have taken a few online classes and I love them because I work the best at night, unfortunately, because it keeps me up. But aside from that, like I said, I'm really excited to get to know everyone and conversate back and forth, different debates and just people's opinions. So, thanks, guys.